This is a post by Open Router. If you know about it, that's good. It's talking about Horizon Beta, and they are saying it's an improved version of Horizon Alpha. Because people are saying it's better than Gemini 2.5 Pro, I want to see how powerful it is. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see here they're saying you can use it during the beta period for free. Let's click on this link and see what we get. Well, this seems to be the home page. You can see we are logged in here. You can change between light and dark mode here. You can switch back to light if that's what you're familiar with. If you want to change back to dark mode, I think dark mode is beautiful. Let's use dark mode. So here on this page, this is what you see, and here you can just click on this to go to the chatting mode where you can start building things. Click on this icon, you'll be taken into the chatting mode or the page where you can start building things. This is what you see. On top here, when you click on this new room, this is where you'll be. And here on top, you can see the models that are selected. You can select more than one model, it seems. So if I come here and click on this, I can select another model. But if you don't see these on top, they might not be showing. It means you have to click on this add model. There you're going to see all the models that you can actually use. And so what we want to use here is Horizon Beta. So we'll have to select that, then it's going to be added. If you want to add another one, just click on this plus sign to do that. Down here, this is where you can choose whether to build an app or an HTML app. So we want to use this one here. We're going to describe what we want to build. Here, we want to test it with a simple, good-looking portfolio website, a high-conversion, futuristic portfolio website for a digital creator who teaches AI, monetization, and also tech skills. Website must use HTML, future neon glow effects for text, borders, and also hover animations. It should include the sections about portfolio, free resources, testimonials, booking, contact, etc. If we want, you can also attach files and also turn the web search on. We don't want to do that. Just click on this create artifact button. Then we should expect it starting to build our application. And this is how it's going to look like. I think the colors look good. As it is building here, I want to show you what Quen 3 Coder did when I gave it the same prompt. It did a pretty good job, I think. So I want to compare it to that. Right here we are on Quen and it's loading. This is a website that Quen did and built using the same prompt that I gave it. You see, this website looks clean, it looks beautiful. And I also think it's powerful because we can also toggle between the dark mode and light mode, and it's just beautiful. The fonts look clean, the design it just looks realistic. You see the animations, it's powerful. This is Quen 3 Coder, and it was able to do this. I want to compare it and see what the open router Horizon Beta can do, and it looks like it's done here. As you can see 3 minutes ago, let's try to click on the open artifact. When I click on this, I can see the code that it generated. Oh, this can be expanded by just dragging, just like on a Quen 3 Coder. Here we have code for this our website portfolio. And if you want to preview it, you can click on this preview button. And when you click there, we have the loading effect. Okay. Wow, well. Well, my friends, this is a Horizon Beta AI. Okay, we can see some neon lightings around this content, but it's not styled properly. Want to see what Sonnet 4 can do? Then compare it to what Quen 3 Coder did and to what the Horizon Beta can do. Because many people are saying this is powerful, it can compare to ChatGPT 5, or maybe it's ChatGPT 5 itself. Okay, so I copied the HTML from Claude for Sonnet and I pasted it here. And this is a website that we managed to get. This is what Open Router Horizon Beta did. It has not even come close to what Quen can do, if you ask me. So when it comes to the coding, yeah, you're getting this. When it comes to coding and building websites, I think this is way very far. Maybe other things, Let me just try to give it this prompt again one more time just to see. Maybe, just maybe this time it can do a better job. So this is a website that Claude for Sonnet did. And as you can see here, have the dark, light mode. Don't think this is responding. But yeah, we have these menus here that are not even showing. It doesn't look as good as that for Coin 3 Coder because this is, you see this. This is clean and everything is visible. The light and dark mode works real well without any problems, maybe just for certain parts. But yeah, the design is just perfect, if you ask me, compared to what Claude for Sonnet did. Yeah, this is a website by Claude for Sonnet. There's the animation I'm trying to show here, but still, you see, this here needs more styling and more work into it. I know there's a lot of talk about Horizon Beta being powerful and also such things. To my view and my tastes, I don't think it's as powerful as the other models like Quen 3 or Claude for Sonnet. So if you ask me, I don't think it even comes closer to what these two can do. Number one, there is Claude 3 Coder. It wins the challenge when it comes to building websites. Claude for Sonnet, second. Then we have it is coming at the last position to my view and tests.